Hey, it's Houston high-rise perfection at the Hanover Autry Park. These Houston high-rise apartments are gorgeous. Look at this. This is the outer living areas with the kitchen. It's so sharp and crisp, and it has all that you need for a great lifestyle for yourself, for that special loved one you want, and for friends and family and guests. I mean, imagine having them over. They're going to love life here. They're going to love enjoying these views, and you can have the best parties ever. You could have your Super Bowl party here. You can have your football, baseball, basketball, whatever you want to have, any kind of event. It's fun to have here at the Hanover Autry Park. We're going to go do a detailed tour in just a minute, but if you want to give me some feedback, tell me what you think about this. Or if you just want information right away on it, send me a number below, send me a text below on the number. That's my personal cell phone number, and just say hi. Hey, this is your name, and I'd like to just chat with you and find out more about the Hanover Autry Park. So send that along, and we'll go from there. So now let's go see the detailed walkthrough of Hanover Autry Park, 2-bedroom.